Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable auto dubbing on YouTube. If you find this video useful, please subscribe the channel and like the video. Automatic dubbing is a feature on YouTube that automatically dub your video in different language. Not all users want this and would like to disable it. Let's learn how to do that. Visit youtube.com, click on the profile picture icon on the upper right corner, select YouTube Studio. Here on the left side, locate settings and click to open it. Switch to upload default option on the left and then switch to advanced settings on the top. Scroll down to auto dubbing section and uncheck the box for allow automatic dubbing. Click OK and you are done. This option is for creators. For viewers, there is no way you can manage this. Only thing you can hope is that creator whose video you are watching has disabled it. In case you are aware of any way to disable auto dubbing as a viewer, then feel free to share in the comments as it will help other affected users. Thanks for watching.